How to fix Messenger video call background not working. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger and move into this application. Right here, if you see the option of update, means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, the next thing you want to do is head over to your settings and move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Messenger and then head over to it. Move into permissions. Right here, you need to make sure that you have allowed the permission to these options: camera, location, and phone. If you already haven't given the permission, then tap on it and then tap on allow only while using the app. Likewise, do the same process for both of these options. Once it is done, go back and head over to storage and cache. Right here, you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application Messenger. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Messenger. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on this application, and you'll be good to go.